Ladies and gentlemen, this is an Audi. Just got this today, and if you want to laugh, check the MOT history. Go and have a look at the recent MOT fail on Y342 SUD. It is a 3.7 V8, and we're going to run a code reader through this because I suspect there ain't enough paper in the world to print off the PDF that this is going to produce. I've basically paid scrap money for it, and it came with this sign that says, "Do not lock." If we do lock it, then we have to roof chop it. We should put that on a t-shirt. So that's most of the exhaust.
Okay.
Now I don't know much about much, but I know that should be under the boot, not in it.
Yeah, that's
so it's going to sound fruity when we fire it up. It's clearly been sat for a while. If you grab I've got a new jump pack to test today.
What you got?
I've just got it in the post this morning. Should we try it?
See a new jump pack.
All right.
We need a decent jump pack.
And we're really good at product reviews, aren't we?
Yeah, I think we're brutally honest.
I think we're probably the best YouTube product reviewers you've ever seen. Right, I'll get my jump pack. I'm not going to read the instructions. Right, let's go. The battery is in the boot. Luke, what is this engine then? So this is a 3.7 V8. What horsepower is this knocking out?
I have no idea. It won't be as much as you'd like it to.
No, no. Because the 4.2 V8 is the one that everybody goes on about, which is in the S and RS cars, isn't it?
Yeah.
So I don't really know where this sits in the range. It's a bit of a funny one, isn't it?
It is an odd one, but still, I just can't help but want to see what it's like.
I know, and I don't want to give up on a car. And as I said, I've literally bought it for scrap money.
Well, it deserves a chance.
It does. So let's give it a chance. Right, let's. I've got a GOOLOO jump starter. Now, well, it says it will go up to 12 litres, but this is this is not a very fair test though, because this is out the box and this is a big car and it's dead. So
that's the best sort of test.
Exactly, that's what I think. Unboxing. I nearly smacked you in the head with the box then. Right, so if you grab the cables out of there, it's meaty. User manual. Well, these are easy. You just literally plug the things in and then you're away, don't you? Right, so there's your right, so you plug that into your engine start box. Cool. And then they go.
See how much charge is in it.
Now Ron has said be very careful which side of the battery you put it on, because it's really hard to tell which is which. And he's kind of got a point. Can you see a plus or a minus there?
Well, I'd assume that
that looks like it's got a plus on the top of that terminal.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right.
And then the brown. Yeah.
Maybe Ron did it in the dark. I did say to him, can you go fetch a car for me? And he basically sent me a picture of the car up here before I'd even finished telling him where the car was. I don't know how he did it. That's why we call him Rescue Ron. Right. She's on. Go on, Luke. Crank the starter motor. I mean, turn the key. 79%. We may need the boost button. Is she going to start? I think the key's in the ignition. No, you got the key? No, I wasn't expecting much. Hit the boost button.
If you read the instructions, you know what we're doing. It says ready.
Whoa! Did you use the boost button? Yeah, so the boost button did it. And we've gone down to... It's still showing 76%. All right, top marks for the GOOLOO. Not bad, that. I wasn't expecting that to start this car.
Can't give up on that, listen to
No. I got an idea. Let's have a very little drive. Hey Luke, shall I try the sunroof? No. Did you say yes? It opens. Do you think it'll close?
Of course it will, it's an Audi.
Oh, it's not a Citroen C3. gears. I was told it didn't have any gears. It's better than I expected. It actually drives. And it's got brakes, sort of. Got a sport mode. Actually goes pretty well. Let's try a little launch. I don't know. Like I said, I was told it was broke. But that seems all right. It's got no fuel in it, so I can't go much further. Turn around up here. It sounds amazing. It goes really well. That went a lot better than I expected.
It sounded epic.
Right. Well, now I don't really know what to do. Obviously it needs a longer test drive to see if it's actually got all the gears, but I was expecting it to like stick in first or not have reverse, but it seemed to have, well, I got at least 3 gears out of that. Not that I was going fast, but it, you know, it feels smooth and everything. It doesn't feel like a total nail.
It is an Audi.
Yeah, well, granted.
Keep reiterating that.
Yeah. What do we do with it then? It's a bit too good to chop the roof off, isn't it? We've got to have a look at it first.
You can't chop the roof off this, not yet.
No. Okay. We'll add it onto your work schedule then. Get to it in 3 weeks' time.
Okay.
At best.
Yeah.
All right. I'll tell you, let's do the code reader thing. I'm going to plug Carly in, see what happens. No, let's do yours.
Shall we do, what do you want to do first? Like the dealer tool or?
Let's do the Carly and then we'll do the dealer tool.
Okay.
All right. I might need to borrow your phone to film me doing Carly. Yeah. That sounded really wrong.
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to commence. I'm going to do Carly and Luke's going to film me doing Carly on his phone because I can't do Carly and film at the same time. Unless I had like a GoPro head mount thing. MOT, but it'd be interesting to see what the verdict is when we put it on a Ram. I was hoping that it was just going to be a scrapper that we could chop the roof off and then weigh in, but it's way better than that. Too good for that. Yeah.
I bet therethere's components on this that you could remove and sell for more than you paid scrap value.
Well, the interior, for starters, is really nice. But I just hate giving up on cars.
Well, I can't let you give up on this one unless it's absolutely
all right. Well, we'll do that. We'll give up on the Volvo, but we'll save the Audi. I think everyone will approve of that. And that's a sunset and good night.